In this video, I'll be showing you the settings, along with other tips, to optimize your PC's gaming performance on Windows 10 and 11 that will give you a better experience when playing games on your computer. This first one is a basic change that often gets overlooked. I'll be showing you how to set the real mouse speed to give you a more consistent experience when playing games where you use a mouse. In the search box, type Control Panel, select it. With the Control Panel open, click on Mouse. This will open the Mouse Properties window. Go to Pointer Options. When Windows is installed, the default mouse speed is artificially accelerated. For a more consistent mouse movement, regardless of the movement speed of the mouse, untick the box next to Enhance Pointer Precision. Doing this will give you better accuracy, which is great when gaming, or when editing images, or doing any type of graphic design. Now just move the slider to what feels best for you. It's important to keep the drivers for your GPU up to date. Not doing so could make your games run slow or lead to gameplay that is sluggish. For example, this PC has an NVIDIA GPU. One way to update the drivers is to right-click the NVIDIA icon in the system tray and select NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Make sure the Drivers tab at the top is selected. If there's an update available, click on Download to download and install the update. Otherwise, check for updates. For those of you with AMD Radeon GPUs or some other brand, refer to the manufacturer's instructions to update the driver. When you enable Game Mode, it'll prioritize resources to your games by temporarily pausing or minimizing processes and tasks running in the background that could affect game performance. To enable Game Mode, open Settings. To do this, you could right-click on the Start menu and select it, or use the Windows keyboard shortcut, which is the Windows key plus I. In the left pane, select Gaming. Then on the right, select Game Mode. Toggle the switch on for Game Mode. Tasks like your antivirus running a scan, programs updating, and other system activities running in the background will resume after you exit a game. In addition to speeding up your computer's boot time, disabling unnecessary apps from starting up when you boot your computer can lead to improved performance and stability for your games as well. To disable apps from starting up when you boot your computer, right-click an empty space in the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the left pane, select Startup Apps. For each app that you don't need running at startup, select it and then click on Disable here at the top. I have a few more I can disable here. Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Edge, and Plex Media Server. To help achieve improved gaming performance with faster data processing and higher frame rates, choosing the highest power plan available on your PC is essential. To do this in the control panel, with either large icons or small icons selected, click on Power Options. To see all the power plans available on your computer, select Show Additional Plans. The power plans available will vary by computer. On this PC, the highest performance plan available is Ultimate Performance, so I'll select that. Selecting a high or ultimate performance plan will use more energy, but in return for choosing one of these, it will help to maximize the performance of your games. Also, if you do any programming or edit videos, you'll want to choose the highest performance power plan that you have available. With your monitor, you'll want to choose the highest refresh rate available to minimize the response time of inputs from your keyboard or mouse to your monitor. In Settings, select System in the left pane. Then here on the right, click on Display. Choose the monitor that you primarily use for gaming. Scroll down and select Advanced Display. Where it says choose a refresh rate, select the highest rate available, which in this case is 60 Hz. Yours may be higher or lower than this, depending on which monitor you have. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. What settings do you change to optimize your gaming experience on your PC? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to not miss out on our latest tips for Windows and other tech-related stuff.